Love is a beautiful thing. Candlelight dinners and pet names and a whole lot of late night shenanigans. You and me turns to we and us. Nothing can go wrong when your significant other is with you. Unfortunately, there's a dark side to relationships, where affection can actually be manipulative. To explore that, we are going to talk about trauma bonding. To put it simply, trauma bonding is an abusive relationship in which the victim is manipulated into staying with their abuser. The victim is typically showered with love and affection before shifting to periods of abuse and mistreatment. The abuse is again followed by a period of intense love and affection until it is a never-ending cycle of toxicity. After facing severe abuse, the shot of dopamine, or the happy hormone the victim gets from the affectionate period, is so strong that they forget how bad the abuse has been. Studies show that victims can get addicted to this chemical bond and thus stay in that toxic relationship. In trauma bonding, the abuser may be a diagnosed narcissist and the victim excessively codependent, probably because of traumatic relationships in childhood. The victim is not aware of any manipulation happening and may even think that this is how normal relationships work. On the other hand, the abuser may be dealing with their own problems from past abusive childhood experiences. They may be possessive, jealous, and even paranoid in romantic relationships. Can this be treated? Of course. Psychotherapy can be an efficient way to help the abuser recognize and change their behavior towards their partner in a relationship. The victim can step away from the relationship with a strong support system and later heal through therapy. Trauma bonding is obviously not how relationships should work. Love is a two-way street of affection and understanding and should be absolutely devoid of any kind of abuse. Even if you don't have a Shah Rukh Kajol level chemistry, make sure you two truly love each other. Otherwise, just buy a pet. Foolproof plan for getting all the love you need.